Hello, Celeste Jones and Medici in the Metaverse. I'm here with Bunny today, and Bunny wanted to send a message to be kind to animals because they have feelings too. We're going to talk about a very cool artist passionate about crypto. Is partnering with Oditto and launching an NFT drop called In Crypto We Trust. Houben is a New York-based artist whose recent work paints images from America and other national currencies using foil and acrylic, suggesting the way in which symbolic images legitimize national power. In Houben's own words, as an artist, I translate and distill images on money into an artistic product that will receive its own value and ultimately be moved into exchange in the same way as currency. Art and money are similar in that both rely on trust in order to communicate, since the intrinsic value of painting, as with a printed bill, is just a fraction of its value. A quick thank you to our sponsor, Oditto.io, partnering with established artists to build out metaverse galleries, to curate, mint, market, promote, and sell their NFTs with strategic success. Check it out, Oditto.io. In Crypto We Trust explores the push and pull of centralized versus decentralized currency. Houben's collection is a colorful pop art reminiscent of the expression of returning this trust to the people. In Crypto We Trust. His drop will be coming soon. Be sure and register for this on Oditto.io, and then you will be notified about this pre-sale and other pre-sales of fine art NFTs. Well, that's it for today's snippet of info. Tap the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter, NFT Celeste Jones. Have an awesome day. Celeste Jones and Medici in the Metaverse. And we'd love your comments below on what you prefer, regulated banking or the freedom to bank with anonymity.